really, I just want to add one thing. Really, for me, and I'm not being modest, really spending 18 hours with the Palestinian workers telling me stories like this one, you know, like the robot, the security, and it was very enlightening for me. And most important, I just want to say something as a Palestinian who is from Jaffa. You know, when we became refugees, we have an expression in Arabic, we always say, Falastin ضاعت, راحت Falastin. Falastin is gone. And when I accompanied these young men who go to Israel, I just realized for them, Palestine is there, you know. Palestine is very much part of their existence, whether it's Israel or Palestine. Here is Murad from the mountains, from the West Bank. He goes to Israel. It's true he's a third-class citizen, but they represent a category of the Palestinians that deal with reality in a completely different way from us intellectuals. When I was sitting in the bus, eventually when we made it to Israel, I was sitting in the bus, in an Israeli bus with Murad, and I wanted to speak to Muhammad, who was with us, one of the 4 that remained. And I was so nervous to speak Arabic in an Israeli bus, and I was thinking, what language shall I speak? Because really, if you ask me, the most place that I feel stranger in is home, with the Israelis. So I was thinking, if I speak Arabic, the Israelis will get suspicious and, you know, security and what have you. Would I speak English with Muhammad, who doesn't speak English? Would I speak Italian with my half-Italian that nobody understands? What language would I be speaking? At that moment, Murad stood up, you know, and all I hear him say, Suad, اطلع out of the window, اطلع out of... And he's standing there in the middle of the Israelis in the bus, feeling very comfortable, explaining to me how these fuckers, the Israelis, have taken our land, and they have, you know, cut all the orange trees. And all the Israelis who are sitting on the bus are sitting, you know. He looked like a guide, or a tourist guide, explaining the situation, and the Israelis were all listening to him, and he felt very comfortable with the language, with explaining things. And actually there was a woman soldier next to him, and we were all listening. And here I am, very scared to go to Israel and speak Arabic, and Murad felt at home. Thank you.